Hi viewers, warm welcome to JD Realtors Property Channel. In this video, you are watching 1800 SFT east facing flat in between Rayadurg and Kajagoda Road. From Rayadurg signal, this is on left hand side, second lane, dead ending and left side property is situated. This is total 975 square yards. Total 5-story building is there, 15 apartments. In a floor there are 2 apartments, 2 BHK, one is 3 BHK, that is 1800 SFT. See, this is the entry from lift lobby to your flat. You can see it is separate barricade is there, entrance gate is there, which he did. And you can see this is very close to this Sunshine Hospital and Rayadurg signal. You can see that is Sunshine Hospital, and opposite to Sunshine there is a Sandhya commercial complex is there. You can see. So this is total 36 feet and 80 feet 18 feet width corridor. This is private corridor to especially this flat only, and this flat has 2 entries. One is main entry, other one is from second bedroom, other entry access is there. This is the main entrance. This flat is available in 3rd floor, east facing 1800 SFT, very close to Rayadurg signal, ready to move flat with interior. You can see that is the main road. The price also very best price. To purchase this property, please call on below number 9491807979. If you are watching first time our channel, for more properties, kindly subscribe our channel. So this is completely private corridor to this flat. And specifications, quality of the construction, interior work, everything is very superb. This is the main entrance into the flat. The construction done by Tirumala Homes, very close to Rayadurg signal, biodiversity park, and ORR less than 1 kilometer, and DPS, Oak Ridge international schools are less than 1 kilometer radius from this flat. You can understand by seeing the video how the flat is done. It is very big living, drawing, dining hall. There is separate puja room also in this. And very good ventilation across the flat. It is your TV unit, you can see. It is puja room. This is big window. This is 1.5 year property, 1.5 year old property. Seller need to sell this flat very urgently because he has some other requirement, therefore he is selling. this is the right opportunity to the buyer to purchase this property at the best cost. To visit this property and purchase this property, please contact on below number. If you like our videos, kindly share this video to your friends or family members or known people who are looking for a property in this particular location. This is very hot location in Hyderabad today, because close to all major finance IT companies and financial district, it is very close. From this place, Wipro Circle is less than 3 kilometers. This is other bedroom. In all the bedrooms, cupboards are there. And very close to IKEA Mall. This is very prime location. This property location is Prashanti Hills near Rayadurg signal. From the signal, less than 1 kilometer this property is. The owner did the interior with very personal interest. You can understand the products by seeing this video. Please watch entire video, then you can understand complete the flat, how it is. When you visit this property also you see the same thing at site. For that reason, I request you to visit this property and watch entire video. If really you like this video, kindly contact on below number to purchase this property, own it immediately before somebody buying. This is modular kitchen. Chimney also is there and utility also is there. For utility he did grill. You can see complete storage also is there in the kitchen. It is ready to use flat. Just you need to bring only loose furniture like cots, sofa, dining. These things only you need to purchase here. It is ready to live and very hot location. Here to this property 100% your property appreciation will be there, because the location is such location. In utility also there is inlet and outlet taps and wash basin also is there. And there is a very big private corridor to this flat from the lift lobby to your entrance, that is 36 feet length corridor is yours. Please don't miss this flat. If you like the location and property and quality, 100% you will be happy by the purchasing this property. Please, if you are watching first time our property, for more property videos you want to see in future, kindly subscribe our channel. If somebody is looking for a property like this, kindly share with them. You are helping them to purchase their right property at right time. Please help the property buyers, because everybody buying a home in lifetime, one home for themselves to live in a right place. Therefore, always JD Realtors will help the people to purchase right properties at right place with the best cost. I request the viewers to subscribe our channel for more property videos like this. If you are looking for a property, kindly share our channel with your friends who are looking for a property, then they will get the benefits by watching our video. If somebody wants sell your property also, you can call us. We will be there to help and to sell your property fast in west zone of Hyderabad. We deal a property in a semi gated community and gated communities in west of Hyderabad like Gachibowli, Kondapur, Kokapet, Narsingi, Nallagandla, Gopanpalli, Financial District, Tellapur, Kondapur, Bachupalli, Miyapur. In these locations, we provide our services. And our services also starts from site visit to till the registration. We will be there with you to handing over you the complete keys of the flat. That way we do our services. This is third bedroom. Kindly subscribe our channel and please share our channel with your friends. Whoever looking for a property in this particular vicinity. You can see the light across all the rooms. It is good ventilation is there. We work with Ramkey. If anybody is looking for a property in Ramkey and Galaxia, and if anybody wants to sell your property in Galaxia or Cosmos, you can contact us on below number. If anybody is looking for a property in Motinagar, Brigade Citadel, there also will help you to visit the property and book a flat. If anybody wants to purchase a property in Pragati Nagar also, there is a project by the Ramkey Group in Pragati Nagar. Please contact on below number for more property details about the Pragati Nagar property Ramkey One Harmony. To purchase this property, please call on below number and visit the property. If you like price, property, then please block the unit immediately. All the best to the property buyers whoever are purchasing property first time and every time. You can see the complete flat. Everything is very neatly maintained and work also done such a way, finishings, everything is very good. Very big hall, dining, drawing and living, main entrance, very big corridor and 2 entrances. Very new flat. It is looking like brand new only, because after taking occupation he didn't give for rent also. Thank you for watching the entire video.